Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to connect Fathom AI to your Zoom and Google Meet calls automatically? Let me show you the quick setup on the free plan. First, sign up at Fathom.ai for free plan gives you unlimited recordings and transcripts across Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams with no monthly minute caps. For Zoom, go to the Fathom dashboard and navigate to integrations, click connect next to Zoom and authorize your account. The bot will automatically join all your scheduled Zoom meetings once you connect your calendar. For Google Meet, you need the Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Fathom AI Note Taker for Google Meet. Click Add to Chrome. After installing the extension, sign into your Fathom account. Embedded recording controls will appear directly inside Google Meet. No need to open the desktop app for Meet calls. Now connect your Google or Microsoft Calendar in Fathom settings. This is crucial. It lets Fathom auto-join every scheduled meeting without you remembering to start recording. For both platforms, you can also manually invite Fathom to any meeting by adding Fathom at fathom.video to the guest list. Pro tip: Fathom now offers bot free capture on Google Meet using the desktop app. This records without a visible bot joining the call. If you connect your calendar and install the Chrome extension, Fathom will handle the rest automatically. And that is it. You are now set up with Fathom on Zoom and Google Meet. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.